Here is problem number 4 from the Amatyc Student Math League test number 2, which happened in the winter of 2018. So the question says a regular pentagon is rotated 36 degrees around its center to produce a second pentagon. The area of the intersection of the two pentagons is what fraction of the area of the original pentagon? Okay, so trying to draw a pentagon is always a bit challenging for me. It's not even going to be close to right, but here we go. I'm going to do the area of this, which I'm going to point out I can calculate by, if I had a radius to here, I look at that triangle, 10 copies of that triangle would make the total area. And this angle right here is 36 degrees, 360 divided by 10. When I rotate to get this second pentagon, the intersection will be a regular decagon. That the stuff that's in both will be a regular decagon. And so the area of the decagon can actually be calculated by 20 copies of that little triangle. In fact, I got 2 of them right here. And so I don't even need to do the whole thing now that I'm looking at it, because the percentage of these 2 triangles, these 2 little triangles, to that whole bigger triangle would be the same as what I'm after. This is, the 2 little triangles are the part that's going to be the pentagon, sorry, the decagon, and the pentagon would be the whole big triangle. So what I see is the area of that big triangle is going to be 1/2 the base times the height. And just for argument's sake, I'm going to call that length 1, the radius there 1, so that the distance from here to here is the tangent of 36 degrees here. Likewise, the little length down inside there is going to be the tangent of 18 degrees. So the area that's going to go into the pentagon would be 2 times 1/2 base times the height. So 1/2 times 1 times tangent of 18 degrees, where the area of the big triangle is just going to be 1/2 its base times its height. And a bunch of stuff cancels out, and essentially you've got this ratio now is 2 tan 18 degrees divided by the tangent of 36 degrees, and I type that into my calculator and I get 0.8944. 89% is the closest, nearest whole percentage, and that would be B, and the correct answer to number 4 is B.